Hey guys, it's Sid with SVTPerformance.com, and I'm back up here in Detroit, Michigan at Livernois Motorsports. I'm poking around here sort of in the back staging area, and you can see we got all kinds of fun stuff: Broncos, Super Duties, Raptors, Mustangs, all kinds of stuff ends up back here, and found something a little bit special with this F-150. It looks just like your normal 21 and up crew cab truck, but it's under hood is where it's different. This is probably the first time you guys have seen this, but it's Coyote with a Vortech Supercharger on it. This is Vortech's new Supercharger kit for the 21 and up F-150, and Livernois is helping them develop the tuning for this thing. So this is basically a prototype kit with prototype tune on it. You can see you got your blower down here, blower bracket, all that kind of stuff is still using the factory air box. And you know, with emissions issues now and everything, it's just easier to do that on your base kits rather than come up with a whole cold air intake setup. But this is not really holding this thing back. At 8 pounds of boost going through this air-to-air intercooler that's taking up basically all the space behind your grill here. You can see it. Nice welded aluminum tanks and everything on it. Silicone boots on the boost pipes. This thing made 530 horsepower and about 500 pound-feet of torque on E85?
No, it's actually on 91.
On 91 octane. So just about the crappiest premium gas available in this country, and made 530 horsepower to the wheels on only 8 pounds of boost. So that's pretty good for pretty small. Which trim is this? V3?
Yeah, V3.
So V3 S trim's fairly small blower, but man, it's making good power. Fits in there nicely, and really doesn't look like it's out of place. It looks like it belongs in here. That's what I like about it. A lot of times with your centrifugal setups, it just looks way out of place, like super aftermarket. This looks almost factory installed. So really nice setup. But it's one of those things you never know what you're going to find when you're just poking around back here at Livernois Motorsports. And this thing will be available in the not too distant future. They're still working on some other tuning issues with it and stuff like that, but it looks like it's going to be a pretty good kit.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
I really do like that intercooler setup. So if you guys want any more information on this, just hit up Livernois Motorsports and Vortech Superchargers. They can fill you in when the time is right, I guess, and they want to really release all the final data and everything. But until next time, head over to SVTPerformance.com for all the latest news, reviews, and information on your favorite Ford-powered vehicles.